Okay, now consistency. What is consistency? Consistency is about lagatar. We have been doing a lot of things every day. We have been doing a lot of things every day, but having commitment is one thing, and it's important. Here, you must understand what is commitment. Commitment means to cut off all the things that are not important to you. Particularly when I am saying commitment comes from having a vision. Vision is very important thing. Everybody have sight. We have two eyes and everybody can see it. Even animals have eyes and can see it, can see what is apparent. Okay, we as a animal also can see it without eyes. I'm not saying that eyes are not important. Eyes are very important things, but as human beings we can operate our eyes. We have that power to operate our eyes. Matlab means we have to create what we can see. Matlab this is power of the imagination. This imagination is the wonderful thing for our human beings, and one thing is that imagination, and another one is memory. These two faculties of us can make us great or can destroy us. So having sight means we're excited to see, or having this wonderful faculty of imagination. Without eyes also we can imagine, visualize. Okay, what we do most of the time, we have been watching here and there on being excited. And being excited means we get some input from outside and we are reacting to it. We have been listening to what is the difference between reaction and response. Response means comes from inside out. Response means having a vision, having clear goals, having objective. Here means your goal has galvanized your mind rather than your senses galvanizing it. Means you are not charged up because of your senses. You are charged up because having this wonderful faculty of imagination. Thus visualize. This imagination, this wonderful faculty, you have exercised it so that you got the power to direct your senses rather than to be directed by them. So most of the people means 80% of the people, at least 90, I think it is more than 80 nowadays, because of the marketing strategies, due to having a lot of impact on marketing. We in the world of consumerism and having owning things, we are giving so much importance to get things, get things, or owning things, consuming things. We are in the materialistic world. This is a materialistic world, just because we are so excited by the eyes rather than our imagination. Eyes are actually captivating us. The senses actually take the hold of our mind. This is the subordinate mind, the power of subconscious mind. This power is coming from your eyes or from your imagination. Okay, you have this power. You can tap it through imagination of having some dream or vision, something like that, or you can be trapped by the subconscious mind, for lack of your vision. And on being on having sight, you will be excited to watch all the ads, promos, and something outside from you, which is marketed, which is because they know what is your how your mind mechanism operates, and they are creating these ads and promos to make you excited about those things which you don't necessarily need them. Means they are absolutely, they might be exciting, but they don't you don't need them in the long term. For example, so many things we are nowadays consuming, these are very trivial things, we don't need them actually in our real life. They don't add any value to our life, long term value. So but we think that those things are so important at that spur of moment on watching those things, so it will happen. So where we don't have this clear cut vision and imagination, that is visualization, if you don't go with this real thing, and then most of the time we can't able to live consciously. What is this conscious living? Is nothing but we have to identify ourselves with this conscious mind rather than our subconscious mind. Subconscious mind having its own belief system, and this is gives you the personality, and we on being conscious you can change this, and you have the power, you can separate yourself from the subconscious mind, and you can see it as per your vision. As per your vision you can see the reality of the situation, and you act and you can change this subconscious mind. This is like a that's now it will be helpful for you as a prism to uh, to to change the perspective according to the situation, or according to the problem which you are going to handle, or the life situation, whatever it might be. So on being this conscious living is nowadays is so much popular. So many people are listening to it, but they're not doing practically, they are not doing it practice with their practice. I have seen a lot of my subordinates, really they are um, really those people, actually most of the people, even officers also don't living consciously, and this conscious living is such a wonderful thing on being human. Okay. So in my viewpoint, having vision is very essential for us to live as a human being, conscious being. Otherwise we'll be trapped by the subconscious mind, by empowered by the marketing forces outside. And when you must understand, when a egg is cracked from outside, means we have breaking the egg from outside, means that there is no life, that is the end of the life. Means if marketing forces actually uh, trap our subconscious mind, we are our conscious as human being, we are trapped. Means as human we are not living as a human, we are living like a human animal rather than human being. We can't say ourselves as human being, because these marketing forces really tapping that power of subconscious mind. Before that, actually prior actually we need to program our mind, we need to make it we have to make use of this thing to live our dream life, our vision, and make this thing happen. Otherwise most of the people, even the so-called popular stars, are not actually make you live as a human being. You have make They have made you slave, because you lost the power to live as a human being, just because they tapped this power of subconscious mind. This subordinate is such a wonderful, gives you the power, and you must understand, you must be sincere to your goal. You must program your mind, you must visualize the things which you are need to do, which you need to do. Having this clarity of mind is very much important to confidently walk through all every step of your life, every moment of your life, to get the to be benefited by your life. Or you want to, if you want to really live a wonderful life as a human being, yes, it's only possible through having vision and visualization, rather than being trapped by these outside marketing forces. So you have to guard against your senses, and you must know what is your actual requirement. And having this program in your mind, you have to keep on reminding yourself your vision, and this vision has to be visualized at least uh, 3 to 4 times before going to do anything else. This is such a vital activity you must keep on doing, so that you're always empowering you are always tapping the power of subconscious mind, rather than be tapped by this, by the outside forces. You must capable of enough doing this thing. And having vision means have being committed, really committed, sincere to your goals, sincere to your daily dose of uh, topics you have to complete, or chapters you need to complete, or daily task of daily dose of activities you need to carry out and complete. And having this sense of, and lot of things there are to be told, but I hope you understand what I'm saying. Be conscious means having connect with yourself, rather than your personality is all about nothing but you are changing your mask. This mask of personality, actually persona means mask, and you are changing this mask, and you're not identified with this mask, and this mask will help you according to the situation, or the activity which you are doing, and you are changing one after the other according to the movement, according to the situation. You should not be depend on the outer situation to be happy, and you are acting according to your according to the situation, so that you get the desired results. Should not have to be craving for certain things. Everything is good in its own sense. So once again, at the and this conversation, what I am to sum up lightly, would like to say one thing here. We have a lot of things in this world, and where everybody is want to grab our attention, grab this power of subconscious mind. So we should not give away that power of subconscious mind. This subconscious mind is to be tapped before everything else. We have to program our mind before starting our day. Before starting our day, if we don't ensure this we have tapped this power, there are now mobile is not made for you. Mobile, you have brought the mobile, you are charging, giving it charge, but it will not give you the charge. It will not give you, it's not makes you charged up. You have charged up mobile, not for your benefit. That is actually suck your life. And you must be passionate to have more and more issues and problems around you. You should not be the problem, but there are a lot of problems around you, and every problem is helping you to be proactive. Proactive means more you become more responsible, more free, because having more problems means you are more free, you are free. Because you are committed, you are responsible, because you are not the problem. As you have a lot of problems, but you are not the problem, you are enjoying every problem, because you are blessed with these problems, or because of it your life is full, you are full of life. You are full of life because of these problems, and you will get all these problems, you will attract all these problems into your life, just because you are life. You are full of life. You are that center. You are aligning yourself with the center of life. These problems are like hydrogen atoms, and at the center of the sun, the hydrogen actually attracted and get fused, and on that, this sun actually having the light and shining and everything. Your life will be really shining when only when you attract all the problems. You will only attract the problems when you are burning from inside, when you have that lot of fire. And that fire comes through having responsibility, having commitment, having clear vision, clarity of mind. And I hope live life, don't die. Live life means be visionary. Be living consciously means having this spark of mind. Yes, having this fire of life. You are fire. Absolutely, you are fire. Being human means having this fire. This can say hunger, or whatever you may be. This is the fire of life. I hope you will be getting out of this video something which is useful. If you don't get anything out of it, still listen to it consistently, because consistency brings greatness. So to have a great effect on you, this video will have really great effect on you only when you keep on listening it consistently. It's not for your intellectual entertainment. I'm saying it again. It's not for your intellectual entertainment. When you listen and leave it, then you didn't have any impact on you. To have it great impact, you must listen to it at least, I'm saying at least, for continuously 21 days. This video will helpful for that matter only. It might take 15 minutes per day, I don't care, but you have to listen to it daily for 21 days, and then can see your life is really getting the power boost up. You don't need to depend on any other motivational video for that matter. This single video can light up your life. You will understand the complete graph, because I am not saying this for my uh, all these things. I have understood a lot life is really about, and I am on that basis I'm giving you this intelligence. I'm just an admin maybe, but I don't care whether what position or what level I am playing, or what I am doing. But as far as I am enjoying what I am doing, it's the play in my play. This my play means the life itself is just joyful, and the level of joy, the joy in play is a most important thing for me, and then only I'm enjoying doing these things and really give me lot of joy. Okay, thank you.